Hello techies, this is Tech House. So today in this video we will be discussing about the tech news from the Samsung and the Apple. The third generation of foldable and the flagship from the Samsung for the year 2021. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Galaxy Fold 3. These two foldables device will have the screen size of 7.6 inches. It will have similar screen size as the second generation of foldable which was launched in the last year. These two foldables will be rocking latest and greatest Snapdragon processors and Exynos processors. We have got some fresh leaked image of Galaxy S22 Ultra. The camera module of S22 seems to be different and unique. Now let's talk about Apple. This year's iPhone will be called as iPhone 12s instead of iPhone 13. As per recent leak, this year's iPhone will have improved ultra-wide lens with autofocus. Some of the key specs of this year's iPhone are: it will have a smaller notch. We will see 120Hz of high refresh rate display in iPhone 12s. Some improvement in the battery capacity. Nearly 4000 mAh will be used in Pro model of this year's iPhone. We may see 1TB of storage in Pro model of this year's iPhone. If you enjoy watching this kind of tech related videos, do consider subscribe and drop us like down below. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.